Welcome to Samic Craft. Are you ready to start your dropshipping journey? No inventory needed. You can run your business without holding any stock. Learn how to find reliable suppliers that offer quality products. Set up your Amazon seller account in just a few easy steps. Use effective marketing strategies to drive traffic to your store. Learn about product sourcing and how to choose the right items to sell. Understand the importance of customer service in your business. Discover tools that can help you manage your dropshipping operations. Stay informed about trends and updates in the e-commerce industry. Join our community to network with fellow dropshippers and share experiences. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Stay persistent. Get started today with Samic Craft and build your own dropshipping empire.